Two exotic birds perched on a branch. The birds have smooth, natural feathers with a long flowing tail in shades of green, white, and soft orange. Their plumage should look lifelike with fine texture and subtle color gradients. Each bird has a distinctive feathered crest, natural eyeshine, and a small blue-tinted beak. Surround them with realistic leaves, delicate peach-colored flowers, and a softly blurred background that suggests depth and gentle evening light. Use natural lighting, accurate shading, and true-to-life textures while preserving the graceful pose and elegant atmosphere.